Morning Year 2s, this is your last week of home learning phonics. So we've got a very short session today which involves playing a game which we're all going to play together, but if you want to stop the video and play yourself then that's absolutely fine. I'm going to show you where it is. You may have come across it before. And actually it involves the sheet that's in your pack today. So this week's tricky words are old, cold, told, gold and hold. So they all rhyme and they all have the word old in them, and it's just the first letter that's changed, and the O sound makes an O, so it's old, cold, told, gold and hold. Now you can do this at any point today, but I would think it's quite nice we're going to do it in class. I'd like you to go outside with some chalk, some paint or just some water, and I want you to write these words on a fence, on a wall, on the patio, on a bit of wood, anywhere you want to. Just write and write and write. Write these words. If you want to send me a photo of what you've done, then that's absolutely fine. If you think, well, I don't really want to go outside and do this, then that's fine as well. Okay, it's more about the reading today. And if you want to go and have a go at writing them, feel free to do so. Okay, so what are we focusing on today? Well, before we look at what we're going to do today, we're going to recap last week. So I want you to put one word, so I want you to copy these words into your book, copy these sentences into your book, filling in the gap. So it's I am something than you think. So are you going to use the suffix or the est suffix? I want you to think of a word that's going to go in there. Only one. And then you are the something friend I have. What kind of friend? Are you going to use the suffix or the est suffix? So pause the video now and write those two sentences. Okay, so if it was me, I am colder than you think. So this first one had to be it had to be a comparative adjective, not a superlative adjective. The bottom one will have used the est. So you are the loveliest friend I have. Perfect. Okay. So this week we're going to be investigating the ul sound at the end of words. Not the double ul, not the ll, but different ways of doing it. So what we're going to do is, why can't I don't want that. I want to be able. There we go. So you will need your camel sheet from your packs. We're going to go through it on the board though. Okay, so the little metal camel sheet you're going to need. So this is an ending spotter on word sort game. So we've got an ending spotter, we've got a word sort, and we've got a best bet. Well, we're going to do the ending spotter. Okay, so let's listen. I say listen, there's no sound for this bit apart from me talking. So we've got a scary looking person, finds a parcel, opens it up, oh, and there's a little metal camel inside it. Okay, so it says how many word endings can you find that sound the same as the endings of little, metal and camel? Okay, so I want you to read through the text. It's the same text that's on the board, and underline or circle or shade over the words that have ul at the end. Okay, so pause the video now and have a go, and then I will reveal the answers afterwards. Pause the video now. Okay, so you've all had a go at that. So I watched the girl stumble into the deep natural tunnel. Fossils and animal paintings lined the walls, but her gaze was fixed on her scruffy parcel nestled between stones in the floor. I noticed her tremble as with gentle hands she unwrapped the bundle. With a sparkle of light and a metallic tinkle, the model of the little metal camel fell into her hand. Finally, the royal treasure was back in its true owner. With a giggle of delight, she looked at her prize and carefully tucked it into a satchel. It would be a struggle to safely smuggle the camel back to the castle, but held her head high. She would tackle each puzzle, scuffle and battle with her usual noble bravery. So there's quite a lot of words there. So these were the ul sounds that you were looking for. Ul, al makes ul, eo makes the ul, and so does the il. And here we've got the words. So we've got stumble, natural, tunnel, fossil, animal, parcel, nestle, tremble, gentle, bundle, sparkle, tinkle, model, little, metal, camel, royal, giggle, satchel, struggle, smuggle, camel, castle, tackle, puzzle, scruffle, battle, usual, noble. So those words should be underlined on your sheet. Okay? And that's the first activity. So we're just going to get rid of that. We're going back to this. Now that you've found all of the words, what digraphs did we find at the end? Well, we said LE, AL, EL, and IL. So all of these words have, all of these digraphs make the ul sound. And to finish off with today, what I want you to do is to pick two of the words from each ending that you have found on your sheet, and I want you to use them in a sentence. Now it says here using them in an extended sentence. That means you need to see if you can include an adjective and at least one conjunction. Okay, so off you go. That's it for today.